Hello, in this video I will show you what you have to do to install some software and get the models etc. for your yeah, work on the digital twins. Open Helix, go to SGR2 assignments, then on DT here and perform a get latest on it. I already did that. That's the first step. The second one is DT interface here, also perform a get latest on that, so that you have everything. And the last one is here with hardware, DT projector, and also perform a get latest on that one. Okay, if you have downloaded everything, you are ready to install some software, and that's called DT interface, and this program is the connection between the digital twin and your board. So simply start setup and do everything default. That's okay. And when it's ready, you can press close. Well, this is installed on your laptop now, and I can stop that one. And how to start it? Simply type DTC, and you see here DT control, and you can start it. And it says, oh, no target board found, and that's okay because I did not connect my board yet. So plug in your board, you can hear it, plug in your board, and then you have to start it again. So again, start button DT, and then it says, okay, the board is found, Stellaris board in this case, but no path had been set because you have to set the path to your model that you are opening. This program will automatically open a model and connect to your board, etc., so that you can start working on it. So let's select a model, set model path, go to your Helix Core workspace, SGR2 assignments, DT, Megatronica, and then you can select one of the models that's here. DT prefabs contains some items that are visible in the digital twin, and this is a test model to do all kinds of other things. So select that one, select it, and now it will open the model. Now, there it is. The navigation, etc. I'll explain during the course, during the lesson, and also how to get started with this in combination with our CAL software. Well, how to stop this? Well, simply if you want to quit here, close DT interface. It will also stop the model. And when you start it again, it will open this automatically. Okay. Please read your email and everything attached in it, because during the first start of the digital twin here, you will have to specify some items regarding the firewall, and you have to set them properly. So also read the documentation that I mentioned in the email. In this case, you can see what's happening and how to use it. That's it. Thank you, and until next time.